So if you do decide to go against my better judgment and still use the regular synthetic crochet hair, be my guest, use that brand, because that's what I use and I love the curl. But next time, as soon as I take these out, I'm gonna do the same hairstyle, but I'm going to use human hair at the ends and for the curly pieces, so that way it can save you some coin, because the hair that's being braided, it doesn't need to be human anyway, because nothing of it is exposed. So I say use regular synthetic hair and then human curly hair, whatever texture, throughout. Okay, next time I do it, I'm going to use I'm going to do larger parting spaces. I'm going to do larger parting because this is like a lot of hair and it's super long. So next time I do it, I'm probably not going to go as long, and I'm also going to make larger parting spaces because it is quite heavy. I don't know how to make it like the weight of the hair. I think that's the length, because it's so long and the synthetic hair is so dense. That's where the weight is coming in. But yeah, I can't fix that problem. But what you can do is use human hair, and that'll save it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start installing my accessories. So I got